Hi, my name is Anna Burkowski. I'm a Master's of Science in Biology student, and today I'm going to be going over ICP analysis. So we already did the ICP preparation and the digestion, so our samples are ready for the ICP analysis, but we do need to make standards. So today we're going to be making 4 different standards, 0.25, 0.5, 1.0, and 2.0 ppm. I'm going to be going through the 0.25 ppm standard, and we are basing these standards off of an original one that is a concentration of 100 ppm. So in order to see how much of a volume we need to use, we're going to use the formula C1V1 equals C2V2. Our initial concentration is 100 ppm, and we want to know what volume we're going to be using. Our desired concentration is 0.25 ppm, and our final volume is 50 milliliters. So by doing the math, the volume that we're going to be using to make a 0.25 ppm standard is 0.125 milliliters. Alrighty, so I have my original 100 ppm standard, and I have some of it poured out here in an acid wash beaker. I have my micro pipette set to 0.125 milliliters, and I am going to draw up that amount to the pipette and place that into an ICP tube. And now I'm going to just dilute that standard to 50 ml with milky water. Alright, so now we have our 4 standards made, and we also have a blank of milky water in between our standards and our samples, and we have our 3 samples here. So now we are ready to go upstairs and run it on the ICP. Okay, so we have our samples here in the 4th rack. We have the ICP warming up, and we have our cooling system on. So now we can go to the computer and we can take a look at our lab book. We have our elements selected based on our standard, and we have our uptake and wash time selected. We also have all of our standards inputted, our blank and our procedural blank and our samples. We have them labeled accordingly, and we have the correct rack selected and vial number.